Hi again, this is plumbing straight from Poland. Let me show you what we've done till now. In this building we have some water lines in here in this bathroom. As you can see, pipes for the wash basin, hot and cold, are already done. This third pipe is secondary hot water cycle. We have pipes for the shower as well in here. Looks like that. We have cold water for the toilet flusher. Yeah, let me show you the kitchen. How we've done pipes for the kitchen. 10 pipes, they are going from the garage in here. Yeah, it's very far from the boiler room for the water, from the water tank, so it's very important to have secondary cycle in here, hot water cycle I mean. Yeah, when the customer opens the tap, the hot water will go very fast, straight away. Yeah, for the dishwasher and for the sink, I take you in here now into the garage. Yeah, we're not finished yet. We still have some job in here to do. This hole in here is for the waste pipe, for the water pipes, and for the pipes which will come from upstairs from the boiler room into here, into this under plaster, underfloor heating distribution box. Yeah, we have them pipes in here. They are from polypropylene too, but they are especially for central heating, not for the water system. Let me show you how the upstairs bathroom looks. Yeah, as you can see, and there's the garage. Yeah, then pipes will going down there and here into the boiler room, and they are going into this bathroom, upstairs bathroom in here. Yeah, cold water for the walk-home toilet. The water pipes for them two wash basins. Water for the working shower in here, for the tap. It looks like that. And then two pipes are for the bathtub. Yeah. We've done this like that for now, but in the future we're gonna plaster everything in here, because it's very important to keep them level, and it's very important to have good angles and everything, so it's good for the future when we will install tap after tiles. Yeah, it's very important. In here in the boiler room I show you, as I said before, on this chimney we're gonna install gas boiler, and under the gas boiler we're gonna install hot water tank. In this corner we're gonna install pipe for the washing machine, and next to the washing machine it's gonna be dryer, and then we're gonna install inside the wall under plaster underfloor heating distribution box as well, the same as on the ground floor. It looks like that. Thanks for now. We will do more job in here in this building, so I will try show you everything when we finish. Thanks for now. Oh, let me show you. In here we have 3 pipes that are going into the downstairs bathroom. Yeah, from water tank from the boiler room. So see you next time. Bye bye.